I'm out here in a park, sounds of a bird, kids playing, people walking past me, and cars and whatnots. And I'm here to test these two microphones. Rode Wireless Go version 2 and Thronmax Space, two very popular wireless microphones that can be used in this manner. And the test is to see how they sound outside. So let's start with this. First, I'll talk a bit about the build. This is a plastic build. This is a metallic build. I don't know if I hit it like this, if you will be able to hear how it sounds. But anyway, let's start the specific details that they have and the differences that they have. You already probably know about the Wireless Go version 2. That's why in this video, I'm going to talk to you about Thronmax Space microphone. So let's have a chat about it. As you can see, we're outside and you've probably been picking up wind noise. That's because we never put this. So we're going to put this on and listen to the sound with the wind being cancelled out. Let's go. There you go. Now the wind has been cancelled. Again, I'm outside, birds chirping, wind blowing, kids playing, cats moving around, all sorts of noises. So, after listening to the two microphones, you can come up with a conclusion of which one works best for you. Thronmax Space is a great alternative to the wide array of microphones at your disposal. And after considering the price and the performance, this might just be your best option.